Hey guys, welcome to another 5-minute family history. We're the Kellys, and we're gonna talk a little bit today about how you start indexing. And my wife's actually gonna do that, so here she is.
Hey guys. Okay, so we're going to start on the family history or family search page, and that's right when you log in. And on the top bar, they have just different places you can go. And today we're going to go in indexing. So we'll click on that. And a drop down will show different things, and we're going to do web indexing. So when it takes you to here, it shows your batches and which ones you've been working on. And then over here, it shows your past, like things you've indexed and like if they've been reviewed, and total records. And then messages show here. Process also shows here, and it like records how much you've been doing it, like doing indexing. And as you can see, I haven't been too good, but you get many blessings when you index. So I highly encourage you to start indexing. And then down here you can see different groups. So like here's our ward group and then our state group. And you can, when you click on that, you can see like how the ward's doing or how the state's doing in indexing. So to start indexing, you click on this little blue button that says Find Batches. And you can do beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And another thing is you can change the language. So if you served your mission in Brazil or in just some different place and you know a different language, you can also do it in that language and help people find their families around the world through indexing different records. So I'm going to go to one that I've already started. So you'll click Open Batch. It will load all the things. And you'll just, it asks for like, for this one it's a marriage license, so it asks like the city, the county, the year, the month, and just a bunch of information. And if you're not sure like what that means, this little purple question mark kind of explains like what they're looking for you to put down, and what needs to be there. And then if you can't find it or it's just not available, right here it says push Control plus B, and it just marks it as unknown. And then up here you can see it says that there's 1 of 40, so there's 40 documents to index in this batch. And sometimes that changes all the time. It could be like 1 of 5 or 1 of 20. So yeah, and that's all I have for you guys. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and start indexing. Bye guys.